Okay, review of the soft pull made by Georgia Pacific automated touchless dispenser motion activated. I absolutely love this thing. It will be expensive to change the rolls, which is I think they give you like 7 for $50 if you buy it online for $50, or like just $6 to $8 for each individual roll. But they've lasted a long time. These rolls, they last quite a while. I don't know what that is. That's hopefully it's not poop. It's not. But anyway, so you have all these little options down here. You have can't really read it. Let me turn some lights on here. Look at this. We got a dark video going on. You can delay it, whatever, SML, delay it, sheet length, what mode. You can have hanging towel or on demand, and there's a manual feed, and I just wasted a whole bunch there, but it's pretty amazing. And it takes big old batteries, which are pretty big batteries. They're back in here underneath. Let me hold. Try to get this figured out. Okay. There's big batteries here. You can turn that, and there's batteries right there. They're the size D, maybe C. It's been a while since I put these in here. They are size D. I don't know, but anyway, there's 4 of them. So it takes 4 of those, and then you put that back on there. And there, it's locked. See, it's already good. Now I need to put this back on here. But I definitely recommend this. It's great. You can put any kind of paper towels in there, and it's an all-around great time. I think it's an all-around great time. So I'm just gonna try to get this roll back up in here. I got a video on that, how to install that that rack right there, the towel rack. But I'm just gonna get this rolled up here with one hand and put this down through. So it's pretty self-explanatory when you put the roll on and then you put it down through these rollers. Alright, so that just snaps back on. It's a wall mount of it. I mean, it's pretty. It's got 2 little slots on the back to wall mount it. You just push down this button to open it, to fix it, and then motion activated. So it's pretty good time. Alright, have a good day.